Deep in the heart of Gainesville, Virginia, lives a family of truly extraordinary creatures, precious to our ecosystem. The Gainesville Middle School Hawks.
Every year, they congregate here, in this building. It's an astonishing yearly migration. All of these hawks are looking for one thing: education. I'll be your guide today, as we glimpse in this brief window of their absence. While they're away, we can sneak inside and see the way these hawks go about daily life in Gainesville Middle School. Here we are just inside the lobby, where great casts of hawks flow into the building, past this symbol of their family, reminding them of hawks' two most important traits: courtesy and respect. We'll see how these hawks uphold this in other areas of the building, but for now, let's keep exploring. Moving past the home of the hawks' leaders in the front of the building, we move into the places where these hawks flock, seeking out knowledge, the classrooms. The closer to the front of the building you are, the older the hawks will be. These are the 8th grade classrooms. Just down from the 8th grade classrooms, this is the mixing bowl. This is where hawks flock together. And you know, that's the interesting thing about a Gainesville hawk. Unlike most hawks, they're not solitary. They're always a team. Oh, and right behind me is the library, packed to the brim with more of that information hawks are so hungry for. We're now deep inside hawk territory. This is the habitat of the youngest hawks, the 6th grade hallway. It's a horseshoe-shaped hallway that contains all core classes for 6th grade hawks. Now, let's head back up through the 7th grade hallways and find out where these hawks feed. Now, we've been this way. Let's hang a right. We're now in the tech ed hallway, where these hawks learn new technology and practical skills. Behind these doors, the feeding grounds of the Gainesville hawk, the cafeteria. It may be quiet and calm now, but this room is normally abuzz with socializing hawks, always upholding those two core values: courtesy and respect. Remarkable. Now, we've just come through the cafeteria, and on the opposite side of that hallway is this room. We're coming close to our journey's end, but I wanted you to see the most active part of the Gainesville hawk's habitat: the gymnasium, where they can be observed leaping, racing, playing, but not flying. Nevertheless, these hawks are very athletic. Coming out of the gym into the music hallway. You know, it's another curious trait of the Gainesville hawk. Where many hawks make a screeching sound to warn off predators, many Gainesville hawks are capable of a beautiful song. It's quiet here now, but it's only a matter of time until 1,400 hawks descend on this building once again. And when they do, it'll set loose a flurry of reading, writing, calculating, creating, learning, and friendships.
Hey, High Flying Hawks, this is your proud principal, Mrs. Porter Lucas. And I can't wait until we can all be together here in the building at Gainesville Middle School for the Arts and Sciences. But until then, remember, courtesy and respect for all today, for that is the Gainesville way.